Yo, welcome and continuing on with Vlogmas. I'm gonna do one quick video on the easiest, and I mean the easiest way of being profitable in trading. All right, I'm gonna show you on NAS. I'm gonna show you on gold. All right, we're gonna go to the 1 minute time frame. What we have marked out is, since we're in Central Standard Time, it says 10, but that's really the 9 o'clock 4-hour candle open. All right, we got the New York open and the 9 a.m. 4-hour candle open. Very simple. We're looking for two things to happen. One is a fair value gap happening after New York open or after 9 a.m. This happened, we'll see in a second. Mark that out. What time did that happen? Perfect. It happened at 8:30. That's perfect. So after 8:30 or after 9 a.m. This happened at 8:30. 8:30 manipulated lower, sweeping liquidity, internal liquidity right here, sweeping that low, created this little fair value gap. What we're looking for is price to break up and close above. That's it. That's it. That's all you're looking for. That's simple. You're waiting for after 8:30. You're waiting for a manipulation to one side, creating a fair value gap, creating an IFVG, which is just the inverse fair value gap, which means price broke above and retested. Not just broke above, but closed. Like this little candle right here, this is how a lot of traders mess up. Wait for it to close above and move with some movement for real. You put your entry above that box. Stop loss right there. And now you're just going up towards wherever London high was. So once London low was swept, that blue box is London. Once London low was swept, it created a little bit of a fair value gap. Price in New York after 8:30 swept that, creating the IFVG. All you do is put your entry right there, your stop loss at the close of the last candle, and we're going up to a minimum of wherever the opposite side of London session is, or the opposite side of Asian session if Asian session was higher. So yeah, Asian session was higher. We go to Asian session, and boom, every single day, easy trade, 4-to-1. Okay, easy 4-to-1 trade. Now let's show you the same thing on gold. So you know I ain't playing with you, man. I ain't pussy. Nah, man. All right, so let's look at gold. Knock out this trade today. So you got New York open 8:30. Took a little while. Price came up, did all these things, and then around anywhere from what I say 8:30 or after that 4-hour candle. So that 4-hour candle came. Think about how any candle forms. It made the wick lower on a higher time frame. It retested New York open, rejected from that. Great. It left us a fair value gap, which is marked out right here. We waited for the candle to close above that fair value gap, creating what's called an IFVG, which is simple, just an inverse of the fair value gap. Waiting for the properly closed, close above, close above. This was your entry. As soon as that properly closed, put your stop loss below the close of that last candle before. And then again, we're just going up. Minimum London session. Yep, that's it. Minimum London session. Top of that. You can hold it if you want to, but again, this is what works, right? Sometimes the market might blow up and you go, dang, I could have got a 20-to-1 trade. But this right here happens every single week. I'm not just telling y'all this, I'm telling myself this. I'm trying to tell you. But if you want some more information, follow the YouTube, subscribe. You dig me? Peace.